In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make good use of your social media handles, your WhatsApp status, your Facebook account, your Instagram and your TikTok account, how you can use it to make money online. So first, to start with, if you don't have Jumia account, I will say you just have to create one. So you just have to create Jumia account. Then after creating your Jumia account, so if you're in Ghana, you can just search Jumia GH, yes, Ghana.com, Jumia.gh.com. And if you're in Nigeria, Jumia Nigeria, Kenya, Jumia Kenya. So if you're in any part of African country where the Jumia online shopping platform is working, you can join this program and you'll be getting money from your social media handle. This is not the Jumia KOL that I did a video on it. No, this is one of the best ways that you can also get money easily using your social media handle. So all what you have to do is that first you just have to get Jumia account. Now after creating your account, you'll be seeing something like this. You'll be seeing a whole lot of items, being it sneakers, t-shirts, fridges, electronics, a whole lot of items there. So all what you have to do is that you just decide on the item that you want to sell to your followers or those people who usually watch your WhatsApp status. So you just pick some of these items. I, for instance, started with sneakers, ladies wigs, and yes, ladies wigs, and then okay, t-shirts and so many things, and it's really good. So this is how I go about it, and I'm here to also share with you so that you can also start and you'll be earning money every day. So all what you have to do is that after you have created your account, you see a whole lot of items there, a whole lot of products on this Jumia platform. All what you have to need is that just just look at the price of the items. Okay, so let's say you pick a sneaker, just look at the price of these sneakers, including the delivery fee of the shipping fee of the sneaker that you want to sell to your viewers or those who view your WhatsApp status. You want to sell to them, so you just have to get the total price of the item that you want to sell. Okay, now after you have gotten the total price of the item, all what you have to do is that you just have to tap and hold on that particular product. You have to listen to this carefully. You just tap and hold on that particular product, then you will see download image. Just copy the image. After copying the image, just go to your social media platform, WhatsApp status, TikTok account, or any other platform that you want to sell this product. Just post it there. On I usually normally use my WhatsApp status and Facebook marketplace. Just post that particular item or product there. Okay, then after you have put in the item there, definitely someone will call you that he needs that. Now moment that you put that item, that it means that you're selling that item. Means in my local dialect in Twi we will say yeton. Okay, so overton our product now or social media platform. So you just place it there. So when someone calls you that, oh Charlie, I need this item that you have posted, just tell the person that okay, just give me 2 days, I'll get you this item. I'm going to place the order for this item. Okay, so you just have to, when someone calls you that he needs that item, all what you have to do is that just place the item on your name. Just use your name or use your own phone or your laptop to place the item. Now what you have to do during the item placement of the item, make sure that you choose pick up as your delivery. Just pick up, just go to, let's say you they have their pickup station is closer to you. You don't have to use a delivery to doorstep, because that one you pay like 20 or 30 cedis before the delivery guy will send you the item. So for you to get more profit from this product, all what you have to do is that just use the pickup. Okay, so you go to, if you are closer to the pickup station, just use the pickup. You go there, it's free. You just take it for free. You don't pay anything. So this one will take out the delivery fee that you are supposed to pay, like 20 cedis. That will make the item, the price of the item that you are selling to your customer to be high. So, okay, so you just have to, I would say that the best way that you can receive the item is that just go to the office. If it is closer to you, then you pick the items. Now after getting the item, what you have to do is that you just have to rebrand the item. Yes, you just take off the Jumia branding, and then you put on your own brand. Just put on something there, then you send the person, you send the products to the person. So let's say that the item, the total item you bought it for, say a sneaker, you bought it for like 100 cedis. You can top up with 20 or 30 cedis plus the delivery fee that you send to the person. So when you get to the person, you just give the person the product, then you take your price of the product, then you take your delivery fee. So this is one of the best way that you can use your social media handles to make money, especially your WhatsApp status. And I've been using this one, and it's really good. I've been getting a whole lot of money from it. So it doesn't matter whether you're a worker or not, whether you're working or you're not working, whether you're a student. You can also, once you have your Android or you have your iPhone, you can start this side hustle business, and I think you can get some money from it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg you, subscribe and like this video. Your questions are welcome. See you in the next video. Bye bye.